Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm just going to be doing something nice and simple. I'm going to be doing a chicken pasta. Yum yum. Simple, plain, not, well it ain't going to be plain, it's going to be delicious. But simple ingredients, so easy to make. So let me show you what I got. Right, before I do anything else, I'm going to get a pan of hot water on. A pan of water on to boil for the pasta. Just got that, Aldi's. It's only cheap stuff. Use whatever pasta you want or whatever you got in your cupboard. I got some chicken, which I've diced up. Simple, easy. Some chestnut mushrooms. Some onion. I've got a tin of herby tomatoes. A bit of cream. That looks like, is that leaking? I thought it was leaking then. A bit of butter just to put in the pan, and some seasoning. I'm using that one. Use whatever seasoning you want, whatever you like. Paprika would be nice with this, I suppose. So before I do anything else, I'm going to season the chicken. Right, season the chicken. I haven't salted it yet. I'm going to do that when it's in the pot, so I can get the taste properly. So first thing I'm going to do is a little drop of olive oil, or normal oil, whatever you want. I'm going to stick a little bit of butter in and all. Want it creamy, buttery. Get all that melting away. Then you want to get your onions in, and I'm putting my mushrooms in with it. Some people like to do the mushrooms a bit later on, but I'm doing mine at the start. Onions. And I'm getting the mushrooms in and all with it. I was going to do peppers, but there's only really me who likes peppers, so I never bothered. Right, I've had a few minutes. Now, you could take all this out and then put your chicken in and do your chicken, but I'm going to put it all in together to get all them flavours mixed in. Why not? I'll do that, and I'm going to get the chicken partially cooked. Right, that's starting to cook now. It doesn't have to cook all the way, that chicken. It's going to go on for simmer for 15 minutes anyway. So I'm going to get my herby tomatoes in. I'm going to get them in, get that little mix up. Yum yum. Then I've done myself a bit of, oops, amazing. I've just done myself a vegetable stock. I'm going to put that into the tin. About half a tin's full. Drop the lid in there now, look. That's me for you. And I want to stick just a dollop of cream in. There you go. You can put the cream in after if you need to. But I'm putting mine in at the beginning. I'm going to put the lid on there now. That's going to bring to the boil and then simmer for 15. And then while that's doing, I'm going to get my pasta in. That's boiling. Get a bit of salt in the thing, in the pan. And get my pasta in. That'll do. I'll bring that to the boil and that, let that do its thing. Get the lid on. Give it a stir once it starts boiling. That's the way I'll do mine. Oh, it's coming on nicely. Smells delicious. Got to put the pasta in here in a minute. Pasta's nearly virtually done. Yum yum. That'll all thicken up then. And we're going to have cheese and garlic flatbread with it. Why not? So we're going to get that in the oven. It's only like 10 minutes in the oven. Yum yum. Right, the pasta's done. So I'm going to drain all that off now. Now you can run your pasta under cold water to stop it sticking, but it's going to go straight in here now, so I'm not going to do that. Give that a quick mix first. I'm going to stick this in to that bowl full there, look. I'll need a couple of minutes now just to thicken up, get all that pasta covered over. Right, it's all done. Gorgeous. That's going to fill your belly. Turn that off. Goodness. Look at the goodness. Oh yes. Lovely jubbly. Just wait for the flatbread to do and I'll dish it up. Right, I'm going to dish it up. The flatbread's done, looks nice, we burnt it a little bit there, but nice and crunchy, doesn't matter. There's 3 of us having this today, so I'm going to dish it up into the bowls. All this goodness. Oh yes. Look at all that, look. Beautiful. There's loads of it. I mean, these bowls are massive as well. Yum yum. And that chicken. Pasta. There we go. And there's loads left as well, look. I'll get another two portions out of that or something. So, let's give it a taste test. What do we think? Yes, gorgeous. Got Nat and the lad sitting there. They're saying it's lovely. Boiling hot though, this bowl.
It's hot.
Some of that chicken in there. Look at that beauty. Oh, that chicken's nice and tender, isn't it? Ooh. You find it spicy? No? No? I don't either. That's stunning. How's it like with the flatbread? Good. These used to be about 90p, they're £1.30 now I think or something. Same as everything else. It's gorgeous, try it. So simple. I'm going to go and sit and eat it now. Everyone's up the table. As I say, nice and simple on that. Chicken pasta. Could put a bit of salad on the side of your plate if you wanted, I suppose, or some veg in there, but we're not, we're having it like that. So I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.